So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to combine shipping on multiple items on eBay. So first of all, you'll need to log in. After that, you can see your username or your name on there and you can see account settings. I suggest you go to there. Now through here you can see personal info, selling, donation preferences, account preferences, payment information. I suggest then you go to selling and go to your seller dashboard. On here, you can see under your seller dashboard or your sell part of the page, so you can list an item and you can find on here items awaiting payment. So you can find that and then you can start shipping it through there. So if I were to list an item or start to ship it, you can see through the selling part of the page. And you can go ahead and click on learn about shipping options. On there, you can see choosing a carrier and service, ship with your preferred carrier and never pay retail rates again with eBay labels. So you can see eBay labels, after sale, label and ship. You can see some other options and you can see the option bulk ship. So I'm just gonna show you guys through there. They call it the bulk shipping tool. So you can see some sponsored things and you can see get labels in bulk. So you will need to choose shipping services and through there just set it up and you can see some FAQs, but I suggest you go to this website to help you with this issue. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.